How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and this video here is going to be an unboxing. I've had a lot of people ask me to unbox this kit, and you remember this kit. This was my flea market antique store find. Very old kit from 1963 annual, AMT annual. Like I said, the box is rough, but let's get this thing unboxed. Alright, what we have here, it looks like water damaged. I don't know. This is the way it was bought, but I believe every bit of the contents on the inside are in excellent condition, other than the box being a little bit rough. Like I said, this is the worst part of the box right here. The rest of the box is decent shape, I guess, you know, for what it is. This is the side of it right there. You can see that damage comes down a little bit. And for the water damage on this, I'm surprised the stuff on the inside hadn't been messed up. I don't know where this has been stored for years. Somebody's basement, what? I really don't know. But you can see authentic speed equipment and stuff right here on the side. The little go-kart. Of course, this is the customized version right here with the bed cover. It looks like some little bat fins on it. I don't know, hood scoop, you know. But and this is the side, a little bit of damage right here. That's the original price, $1.38. You can see 3-in-1 stock custom service, 1963 pickup with go-kart advanced Ford F-100. Here's the other side of the box. You can see the advertisement for the AMT lacquer paint. All the AMT customizing team. Alexander Brothers, George Barris, Bill Cushenberry, Dean Jeffries, and Gene Winfield. You can see the little go-kart. You can see the stock wheel disc and hubcaps. You can see the engine with blower. That's a wild looking engine too. All your little custom Nerf bars and fins and tailgate and roll pans and just all kinds of stuff there, guys. This is the best side of the box right here. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, as you can see, there's the contents of the box in excellent shape. Let me move this box out of the way, and let's start out with the instructions and decals. Here's the decals, very old decals. You can see they look like they got a little bit of water damage on the decals too. They're ate up. They'll never be used, but a man could scan those and clean them up in their little computer and everything, and could reuse them then. But there's the back side of it. Here's the other one they had, was a 63 Chevy pickup with a little Triumph. Boy, I'd love to have that one right there with that Triumph. But those are the ones that were offered. Let's see, here's the destruction sheet or instruction sheet. Service, stock, custom, then you got your custom little go-kart. Let's see, assembly number 1's the engine. You got a tri-carb setup. Then you got the blower. That's a funky looking blower. I don't ever remember seeing anything like that before, but it's pretty nice. Now the engine does look like you don't have like a stock carburetor and air cleaner, which I'm going to build the truck stock, so I'm going to have to find me some parts to make it look like a stock engine. And there's your little cat. Comes with the cat, telephone, fire extinguisher. You got a custom steering wheel cover. You know, you got your accessory gauges. You got your shifter in the floor. Pretty cool. Here's your wheel assembly. Of course, you know, it's just metal rods and stuff. Your custom wheels or your stock wheels. This is putting your stuff together here. Got your little hood clip to open and close. It's a little metal clip. And here's the final stock assembly right here. You can see the grill, 2 screws, you know, everything you need right there. Turn this back over here. Let's see. This is your service truck. Right here, it's got a horn, flashing light. Looks like it's got some running lights. You got your push bumpers, which are would be board probably. Your little gas cans, oil can and gas cans, what it is, I guess one of each. Spare battery. You got a torque wrench, lug wrench. Here's your custom accessories. Looks like you got some lake pipes, 3 different custom grills, sorry. You got your custom tonneau cover, your gas cap knock off, your roof scoop, hood scoop, spotlights, aerials. It's just wild looking. You got your bat fins on the back there, your custom tailgate, custom tail lights, Nerf bars. Then you move to this assembly, and then this is your go-kart. You got a helmet. Looks like it has 2 engines on the go-kart. 1, 2. 2 engines. Very cool. You got the little rack right there to hold them up. Alright, that's your instructions. Let's start out. Here's your tonneau cover. On this side you got like a tuck and roll style thing that was popular back in the day, and then on this side it's a wood grain. Let's set that over there. Here is your chassis. Typical AMT 60s chassis. Not a lot of detail. I mean, it's got detail, it's just all molded in. You got your 2 pipes, your differential, your drive shaft. Of course, you'll have 2 screws, and this back end will just pop right into the little section to pop it into. I made this video once and I had to delete it because I realized I left the chrome tree out when I did the video. So I'm not making that mistake this time. Here's the chrome tree. There's the 1963 grill, the rear bumper. Here's your blower parts. Looks like a couple of Nerf bars. There's your stock wheels and hubcaps. There's your custom wheels. There's your custom steering wheel holder. Parts of your grill. You got your Ford valve covers. You got your tri-carbs. You got mirrors. You got spotlights. You got more little Nerf bars. Your license plates. A couple more custom grills. Guess that's part of your engine right there, carburetor and stuff. So that's very cool. You can see, as old as it is, you know, the chrome's dulled on it and everything, but it's all good. Here's your glass. It's got a few scuffs and dusty, but all in all in good shape. Your interior tub, you can see right here, all molded in. Got some good detail in there for it all being molded in. You can see on the seat right there and everything, the emblem and stuff like that. You can see very good detail there. Here's your bed. You can even see the bolts in it. Back side of the bed. Not a lot of detail there because, like I said, it goes in between the chassis and the body, so you're not ever going to see that part of it, but very nice. Right here you got your engine. Looks like you got your push bar, batteries, horn. You got your lug wrench. You got your go-kart frame. You can see that. Tires. Or go-kart tires. I'm not sure what those are. I'd have to see. Here's one of your engines. Sprocket and chain. Your seat. Little steering wheel. Telephone. Here's the top side of your engine. It's your heads and your manifold. I don't know if you can see the detail on that too much. Let's throw that over to the side. This one right here, you got your hood. You can see it's got the side molding. Got the front emblem. You got your wheel backs. Your drum brakes. Got two of your go-kart wheels. Custom grill accessory for the front. You got an oil can, jerry can. There's the bottoms to it. Right here's your ramps for the go-kart. Couple more wheels. Let's see, you got your cat. So if you can see your cat there. AMT cat. You got your headers. You got your belt assemblies. Your roll bar. Loose part. You got your custom tailgate. Frenched in license plate. Got your dashboard. And here is the other engine for your go-kart. Your other sprocket. You got the helmet. Two more tires. And here's the body to it. Pretty neat. Look at the rivet. Seeing it in the top there. You got two places for your engine, I guess, to stick out. Something sticks out there. I'm not for sure. Breather, exhaust, what it is. Without looking at the instructions. Here's the bottom side. The worst part on this is, looks like it got heated up and hot wherever it was at, and parts melted. Looks like the tires have melted off into it a little bit, but that's not a problem. As you can see right there. More loose parts. You got your steering wheel. Looks like you got a roll pan. Whatever that thing was, some kind of clipboard, board, something, sign. The radiator, or the radiator, however y'all want to say that. I say radiator, you say radiator. I say potato, you say potato. Alright, here's the headlights, and then that's your dome for your clear glass for your go-kart. Another little loose part. Let's see here. We got your custom taillight parts and your little siren. And you got your two taillights, stock taillights. Let's see. You got, oh, they just come undone, but you got your two axles. Come with 3 screws and 2 hood pins. So you're only going to need 2 screws and 1 hood pin, so you got extras. Come with your 4 tires, white wall tires, and you can see where some of that plastic had melted into the tires. I guess it got hot somewhere down the line. Come with sandpaper and an old bottle of plastic body filler. Look at that. Very old. Then here's the body. It's got the side molding, custom cab, unibody. There's the front. There's the side of it. Let's see if y'all can see that real good or not. Here's the back tailgate. It's very unusual that that'd be molded in. Most trucks are, you know, they're not molded in, but that's molded in for whatever reason. But you got your trim, your custom trim around the back of the cab. Of course, it is a custom cab. There's the top side of it, just a little dirty. There's the inside of it. There she is. That is the unboxing on the 63 AMT Ford F-100 3-in-1 annual kit. And next up after this, I got a lot of stuff coming up, and I'm behind on a lot of videos, guys, so if I haven't been commenting, I'm going to try to get caught up. I'm so far behind. But next up on the build is I've got the motorcycle done, which I'll do a video on that later, but I got to finish it up in February. And this is the kit. Of course, it's upside down. I got everything thrown in there. It's the 65, sorry, 65 Chevelle wagon. I'm going to finish it up. I'm going to put my resin cast 6-cylinder engine in it. Instead of having the V8, it's not going to be the V8 version. That'll be my finish it up in February. And then I got my Rat Fink build from Brent at Adventure Time RC. And let me reach back here. And this is what I'm going to be building for that build. It's my Beatnik Bandit by Ed Roth and the Rat Fink. That'll be that build. Let me get stuff out of the way here. And then I got to start, of course, I don't think there's any time limit on this either, so I can get this, start this anytime I get ready. Of course, it's Peter, my Swedish buddy. This is his group build. It's his tuner car group build, and this is the one I'll be building for it. The Fujimi 1973 Nissan Skyline GTR, and that'll be the one I'll be building for it. So I'll be starting that sometime. I'm gonna get some of this other stuff done before I actually start it, Peter. And then I'm gonna be very busy. I got a couple of buddy builds coming up with Russell from Russell Model Cars. We're gonna be doing the Ford Cortinas. He's gonna do a Lotus Cortina, and I'm gonna do a Ford Cortina GT rally car. I'm not for sure how he's gonna do his, but I think his is gonna be the Lotus, and I'm gonna put the GT engine in mine, which would be the 4-cylinder with without the dual overhead cam. So, and then me and Seamus from See Me BMW, we're going to be doing the 12 scale trumpeter Ford GT40s, the 66 Ford GT40s. We'll be doing that buddy build here before too long, so I kind of got a lot on my plate. I'm trying to keep up with everybody's videos. If you don't see me on there, I'll eventually get there. I'm trying to catch up. So with that being said, I want to thank all my subscribers, my new subscribers, my old subscribers. I appreciate y'all very much. I appreciate y'all watching me, and I guess that'll be it. Please like, share, and subscribe.